feeling exhausted even after rest. It's not just fatigue, it's a lack of natural balance. What if I told you that you could regrow your energy right in your backyard? In this video, I'll show you 4 healing herbs that can transform your wellness routine. First, basil, a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that soothes the stress causing inflammation in your body. Then, there's mint, the digestion savior, improving gut health and leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. At 5 minutes, I'll share calendula, the secret to glowing skin in just 3 days. And don't miss chamomile, your key to deep, restful sleep. The best part, I'll show you how to grow, harvest, and store them, making wellness accessible to everyone. If you're tired of feeling drained, it's time to harness nature's power. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to grow your vitality. Like and subscribe for weekly herbal wonders. Let's grow together.